Historical perspective of corrections. Securing sanctuary. In 13th century, a criminal could avoid a punishment by claiming refuge in the church for a period of 40 days. On 1576, England ordered that each country should construct an institution for the confinement of offender, which is popularly known as the English House of Correction or Bridewell style, House of Corrections and Workhouses. On 16th century, transportation of criminals in England was authorized until the end of the century. Russia and other European countries followed the system. This practice was abandoned in 1853. Age of Enlightenment. On 18th century, additional jails were constructed due to the decreasing opportunities for the transportation of criminals to the other countries, and the elimination of the need of gallery slaves. Gauls or jails. The description to pre-trial detention facilities operated by English sheriff in England during the 18th century. Galleys. Long, low, narrow single-deck ships propelled by sails, usually rowed by criminals. A type of ship used for transportation of criminals in the 16th century. Hook or floating hell. These are former warships used to house prisoners in 18th and 19th century. The hooks were originally intended only as temporary solution to a problem. Ordeal. Different kinds of ordeals. Ordeal by hot water, ordeal by hot iron, ordeal by cold water, and ordeal by the sacrament. Ordeal by hot water. It is where the accused could reach into a pot of boiling water and retrieve an object. If the accused was innocent, the water could not burn their skin. But if they were guilty, then the burns would reveal their guilt. Ordeal by hot iron. It is where the accused person could carry a burning hot iron so many paces without being burned to prove their innocence. Ordeal by cold water. It is where the accused was drunk into a pool. If they were innocent, they would sink, and if they were guilty, they will float. Ordeal by the sacrament, whereby an accused priest would be required to take the water of communion. If they were guilty, the accused clergy member was expected to choke on the sacrament, and if innocent, they would swallow it without incident. Early codes. Code of King Hammurabi. Babylon credited as the oldest code prescribing savage punishment around 1759 BC. But in fact, Sumerian codes were nearly 100 years older. The main concept of Hammurabi code is lex talionis, which means an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth, in the imposition of punishment. King Ornamus Code. It is the decrease imposition of restitution and fines or execution, mutilation, or other savage penalties. Roman and Greek codes. Justinian Code. Emperor Justinian of Rome wrote his Code of Law. This code was a revision of the 12 Tables of Roman. However, the law did not survive due to the fall of the Roman Empire, but left a foundation of Western legal codes. The 12 Tables. It is represented the earliest codification of Roman law, incorporated into the Justinian Code. Greek Code of Draco. Greece, a harsh code that provides the same punishment for both citizens and the slaves as it incorporates primitive concepts. The Greeks were the first to allow any citizen to prosecute the offender in the name of the injured party. Burgundian Code. This code introduced the concept of restitution. This code specified punishment according to the social class of offenders, dividing them into nobles, middle class, and lower class, and specifying the value of the life of each person according to social status. 509 BC. A law was passed prohibiting flogging or execution unless affirmed by the Curiate Assembly. Curiate Assembly. It was the principal legislative assembly during the era of the Roman Kingdom. 2 rival prisons. The Auburn prison system. It is also known as the congregate system. The prisoners are confined in their own cells during the night and congregate work in shops during the day. The Pennsylvania prison system. It is also known as the solitary system. Prisoners are confined in single cells day and night where they lived, slept, ate, and received religious instruction.